Hey guys, I hope you're having the best day ever. It is a beautiful day here in South Carolina. Everything is starting to bloom and wake up. And we have been getting shipment after shipment this week of a lot of our perennials and annuals. So I wanted to take a second and show you guys all the new stuff that's come in. Okay guys, we're gonna start over here. I'm sorry for my shadow, but look at this. Oh my goodness. How gorgeous is that? It's just teeny weeny too. It's so pretty. So these are hellebores that we got from Walter's Gardens. This is confetti cake. I'm gonna show you guys that one more time. Oh my goodness. How beautiful is that? This one is Blushing Bridesmaid. I don't know if we'll be able to pop the pictures up for you guys since these don't have blooms yet. And this one is Flower Girl. I am so excited that we have these. I've been trying to get them for a couple years and they have either been sold out or we just haven't been able to get them. So I'm so excited. These are gonna fly off the shelves. If they don't disappear from me, hopefully you guys will get them, but I'm trying to sneak them out so Sebastian doesn't see. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna put these everywhere. They're just so fun and like little bit of unique colors for hellebores. I love hellebores, but it's fun to have different variety too. So I'm so excited to have these. We are going to get them potted up soon. Right now they're in our plug trays. I mean, look at, see if I can get one out. That's a beast. Look at that plug. You can just go ahead and plant that right now. That's amazing. So big and so healthy. I love it. Okay, I popped over here by all the coleus that are just about to be potted up. I would show you the tags, but I don't even need to. They're so beautiful. Look at these. These are, let's see if the name is right for you guys. Wicked Witch, Albrighto, Chocolate Drop. I'm really excited about this one this year. Sedona Sunset. Sorry for my shadow. Let's see if I can, there we go. Aren't these cute? They're just like little individual tiny plants. They're so cute. And these are the Golden Dreams. And this is Lime Time. I just love the foliage. It's just so vibrant and so rich. So beautiful as an accent. And this is a fun one. Just a unique color that can go into fall really nicely too. I just love all these contrasts. Okay, here's our next one, Lemon Appeal Thumbergia. Look at this. This is this beautiful vine that has all these gorgeous colors on. And we went with the Lemon Appeal because it's the one that's supposed to have the most bloom coverage to leaf ratio. So I'm super excited to have this one. Get it all potted up. Look how big the plants are in the plug tray already. Okay, we are in greenhouse 1. Oh my gosh, look at these plants. We can barely walk because we are being covered in plants. That's so fun. I wanted to show you guys the pink pickety Gara. Look at that. Oh my goodness, this is such a beautiful little compact Gara. Look at that bloom, and the hummingbirds and butterflies love this one so much. I'm going to put this as a thriller in a ton of my pots this year and in the landscape as well. But I'm really excited because I've had the big Gara, but not the pink pickety one. And then I think I showed you guys this one in a different video when we were doing an unboxing, but I'll show you again. Totally Tempted Frosted Violets Kufia. Oh my goodness, this is going everywhere this year. I'm so excited. They just got it potted up. It looks so big and healthy already. Okay, we're stopping next door. We have the Surefire Rose. Look at it, it's already blooming. So beautiful. These are like a bulletproof plant. They do amazing in the sun, in the shade. They don't need too much. They're kind of like a low maintenance plant. And then I want to show you next door over here. I don't even know if I can get to them. We got so many trays here. Oh, let's see if I can watch my stack. There we go. I wiggled my way in. These are my absolute favorite, the Selenia Apricot. That one has got a little bloom on. I wanted to show you, I don't know if I can reach down there. That one has a bloom. These don't look anything like the tag. They are just the most gorgeous one. I just posted a picture on Instagram last year after it had grown a couple weeks in the nursery containers of its gorgeous blooms. But that one is a favorite begonia. I think I showed these as well, but we just got some more in. The dwarf dahlias, Virtuoso Pinkerific. And we got the red raz back there. Look at all those. These are gonna be gorgeous. We have just expanded another section for our annuals because we are running out of greenhouse room. So this is our makeshift greenhouse. So fun, all these plants. We are in the back of the greenhouses. You can see in there all of greenhouse 1 and 2 full of plants. Okay, you guys, look at this gorgeous one. I'm so excited. This year we got the Pink Chablis Lamium, and it is a perennial in our area. Let's see, I think it's zone annual except in zones 4A to 8B. So 4A to 8B is a perennial. How cool is that? Let me find a really pretty one for you guys. Okay, look at that. Let's see if I can, there we go, show you the silvery foliage, the green, the purple. It is just so pretty. I'm so excited. I was thinking of putting this with the Jack of Diamonds, Brunnera, and the hellebores, and the pink of blue everywhere in a flower bed. It's gonna be so pretty. Okay, we also got a shipment of the Supertunia Tiara of blue and pink. Sorry, Luca gave me a popsicle. I have a popsicle cooling me off right now. But we had previously gotten Tiara blue and pink, and we sold them so fast. So we just got some more this week of these beautiful Supertunias. They're gonna be so beautiful. I'm so excited to have these new ones. Oh, I just saw these as I was walking by. We got the Senorita Blanca. Sorry, Sebastian, if I'm pronouncing incorrectly with the Spanish accent. But we sell so many of the Cleome, the purple ones. So this year we got the white ones. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna fill everything up with these because they are so tough. They just handle the heat extremely well. So I'm so excited to have the white ones. I don't know why I haven't heard of them since a couple years ago. Like, where have they been in my life? So Cleome, if you have not tried them, you've got to get them in your garden. Okay, we also got this beautiful Sun Patience Compact Blush Pink in. Almost looks like plumeria blooms. Oh, I hope so. I love it. But the foliage, I just wanted to show you guys, is so pretty just by the green and the reddish purple on the back. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. I love it. Okay, we also just got our grasses in. I'm so excited. This year we got the fireworks, Graceful Grasses fireworks. There you can see the picture. So just look at that. I'm just so excited without even the plumes, the foliage color. It's got a gorgeous pink and white variegation in the green. Love this. I'm gonna put this as a lot of thrillers in my pots just to have a different accent color. And then we have the staple purple fountain grass. There's the blooms for you guys. And then Vertigo. If you've never tried the Vertigo pennisetum, you have got to. It is a beast. You can see the dark foliage. When it gets planted out, it will turn darker purple and it gets like a monster. It is so huge. Let's see what it says. 48 to 96 inches. Yeah, it's like definitely taller than you, especially if it has water. This one is a huge statement piece if you want that. It's so fun. Okay, we just got our little lemon coral sedums in this week. They are flying off the shelf this year. For some reason they're a little extra trendy. They are a staple. Here they're perennial for us, but look how cute. They're like just the cutest little succulent little things. I love them. I love the accent color of them. They're so pretty. And then next to it we have the Marshmallow Bidens. These are gorgeous. They are so hardy in the heat, especially our humidity here in South Carolina. They were like the Cleome, like they needed nothing from us. It was amazing. We also got some more Aromagica purple heliotropes in. So excited about these. That one has a little bud. Okay guys, I could show you plants for days and days, but I was so excited about some of the new ones that came in this week that I didn't show you in the previous week. So I hope you enjoyed this fun tour and we'll see you later. Bye.